Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to test viral 5-minute crafts Christmas hack, which I think that works 1000%. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So for this hack, we have to take penne pasta and we have to paste them just like this. Now let's make 4 more with the same method. So buddies, you can see that we are done with our shapes. Now let's assemble it in the shape of a star. Now let's paste its joints. So buddies, our star looks something like this and it takes me around 15 minutes to make it because sometimes it's not sticking well and sometimes it's breaking from its joints. Anyways, now we have to take more penne pasta and we have to paste them just like this. So buddies, our snowflake looks something like this. Now we have to just paint it with silver color. So now our snowflake is ready. Now just take a ribbon and tie a knot on it. So buddies, you can see that this hack works 100%. So I'm going to give this hack a 6 out of 10. Why 6? Because it's too time consuming. It takes me around 30 minutes to make it. Now let's move to our next hack to see whether that hack also works or not. So for this hack, we have to take a bowl and add water in it. So buddies, for this hack, I am using these 3 nail polish, pink, blue and green. Now let's start pouring it in our water. So buddies, instead of transparent orb, here I am using transparent bulb because I am shooting this video after Christmas, so I can't find orb here. Now let's dip it in water. So buddies, now our bulb looks something like this and it didn't cover from one side. I don't know why. But now let's wait until it dries. So after drying, our bulb looks something like this and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to give this hack a 10 on 10. Why 10? Because this hack works 100% and it's so beautiful. So now let's move to our next hack to see whether that hack works or not. So for this hack, I am using 5 star and yeah, ignore my hands. Because of the last hack, my hands were also hydro dipped. So anyways, let's take it out and cut it into pieces. So here I am using dark chocolate. So now let's start coating them. So now our chocolate looks something like this. Let's keep it in freezer. So buddies, after keeping them in freezer for 2 hours, they look something like this. So here we have our white chocolate. So now let's start making ribbons on them. So buddies, I know that I am not good in it. So yeah, don't judge me here. So now our edible gifts are ready and they look something like this. They look so beautiful, they are so mini and cute. So now let's give it a taste. In taste also they are so good. They are so yummy. So I am going to give this hack a 10 on 10. Why 10? Because they are so cute and yummy. So for this hack, I already made a cone. Let's keep it aside. And yeah, instead of white fox, I am using black fox. So now let's start cutting them. So now we are done with our cutting. Let's keep them aside and yeah, here we have our cone. So now let's start pasting our fox on it. So buddies, our first layer is completed. Now let's start with our second layer. Now our second layer is also completed. Let's start with our third layer. So buddies, we complete our 3 layers and we also finish our fox. So now let's cut more fox. So buddies, now our tree looks something like this. Now we have to just decorate it and let me show you its videos after decoration. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.